Hello there, how you doing? First of all, look at these cool bikes. Aren't they cool? This is a Mokwheel Basalt 2025, and this is a Mokwheel Obsidian 2024. That's mine, and that's Kathy's. Beautiful, aren't they? Sure are. E-bikes. I wanted to show you about the mirrors because they came with these mirrors. Look, these bikes are like $2,000 and more. And they came with this floppy mirror. Look at this mirror, you know, and the handlebars. Look at, no matter how tight we make them, they still flop around. So that's what they came with. So I got this kind. See, it's metal and it's solid and it's pretty good. But where it is here, you can see your shoulder in the mirror. You know, you gotta look around to see if anything's behind you. So I thought we should have bigger ones. Look at Kathy's bike. Then I went and I got these longer ones, plastic. They come out here past your shoulder. And she tested them out. I got a pair. You could buy one, but I got a pair. They're pretty solid. See, they stay, right? They stay on your bumps and everything, right?
Yeah, they were really great.
Bumps, yeah. And you can see out past your shoulders, and they're a little convex, a little bit, so you can see wider behind you. A lot better than these. Look at the size. See, isn't that a difference? So this video is about that mirror. This is called Briskmore handlebar bike mirror. So I bought one for my bike. All right. From that, I bought one for my bike to see if I liked it. And I liked it. Look. I can see past my shoulder. I can see my car behind me. This is the old one, and I can see right here. So I'm gonna put the right one on here. I talked about it the other day and I told you I was gonna show you the new mirror I got. So this is what I got. If you need something like this, I'll put a link down there. So I gotta take this old one off. This is nice and solid and strong, but you can't see very widely. So this is Briskmore. Should come with a wrench. A wrench and a rag, see? That's all you need. Look at the difference in size. Look at, see how far out it's gonna go compared to this one? That's great. So I can take this one off. I'll put this on one of the other bikes or on a scooter maybe. Sit down scooter. We got a lot of e-bikes now, you know that. So first of all, I'm gonna take this old one off and put this new one on. But you don't have to see all that. These bikes are really nice. Don't we really love them a lot?
Oh, we love them. Nothing like them.
Yeah, so much power. Mine has 1,300 watts peak power. And Kathy says 1,000. And we had a race the other day. Josh was riding that one, and I was riding this one. Look at that. Well, that's good. It's coming off easy. And I won. But he was going 30 miles an hour. And at that time, I said, wouldn't it be fun if we could make it have a noise like an engine? Because they're e-bikes, you could make any sound of any engine you like going down the street, like a Harley or something. You know what I found today at Walmart? Isn't that cool? Right here, look. I don't know if they're on Amazon too. If they are, I'll put a link down there. Straps on your handlebar there, and you got or that's cool. That's like, I forget how much, $9 or something. But this is the idea I had the other day. And we saw it today. That's so cool, and it just straps on there like that. That's a little bonus for you. Aren't you glad you stopped by today? At first I thought these mirrors were great because they're solid metal, real strong. They didn't move over bumps. But when I found them for her bike, hers is only a couple months old, that bike. And it came with the mirrors. And for that price, you think there'd be better quality mirrors. You know, like the plastic one I showed you. Where's the new one? Here it is. And it comes with a wrench. These are called Briskmore. Did I tell you that? And they come with a blue tint one too. I don't know why you'd want that. silver like this or blue tint. Why would you want that? And then I thought I'd try with just one mirror, you know? Like in some cars, they only have one mirror there. I see pretty good behind me there. This is a new one, but this is gonna be great on this side, having two of them. See everything behind me. You know what they have now? They have monitors, like a rear camera monitor right here would be your rear view mirror and a camera on the back seat. They have that, but then you're constantly looking at that, and I got so many other gadgets here. Yeah, so many other gadgets. This is a phone holder. There's a speedometer. See if you can see it go on. Hello. See, it says hello. And how many miles do I have on this? Like 300, right? Was it 3 or 6? Turn that off so I don't take off unexpectedly. We love these bikes. Okay, and this comes with a 4mm Allen wrench. Only one screw there. Take it off and put it on and tighten them all up. They all use the same wrench there, you know, when you get them where you like them. All right, so let me take this off. So when you get the screw out, there's a little ring, see, like a spacer that goes over your handlebar first. There's a little notch it fits in there. You'll see it if you do it. And you might not even need that on your handlebar. It depends on the thickness of your handlebar. See, I just snapped that ring around there. Spacer. Now if this phone mount was over a little more, I have more room there. But it's enough. All right, then you put this on like this, around that strap, put the Allen wrench through, and thread it in there. All right, I got it started. Snug it up pretty good. Not all the way tight yet. Bring it up here where you like it. Make sure it's not in the way of your shifter. I might move that phone mount over later. I might. This opens up to fit my phone, my wide phone. Opens up pretty wide, but I usually don't put my phone there. But it's nice to have. So let's see where I'm with this. Oh, look at that. Yeah. I see good behind me now. And you can tighten this up. Tighten it up here. And then down here. Good. That's beautiful. And then my first couple rides, I'll keep this in my pocket in case I decide I want to move it, you know. And really snug it up good. I love that. Little things that make you happy these days, huh? Like. It wants to go. Look at these bikes again. Beautiful. Mokwheel. And they're not paying me, that's for sure. We bought these bikes. She wanted the step-through model. This is why she got that. And I wanted this boy. Camo baby. Beautiful. Look at the suspension in there. Can you see that? Man. Did I ever review this bike? I don't think so. That suspension is adjustable too. Can you see it move? Yeah, look at that. When you can make it softer or stiffer, you fill it with air a certain amount. And the front forks, look at the front forks. They're adjustable too. All right, let me go check out my new mirrors. All right, thanks for watching. I'm gonna leave this mic here, I'm gonna take a ride. Listen.